Hey there, I'm Britt.
And I'm Heather.
And this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond.
Check this one out.
Beachy Beach.
Hey there, welcome. Come on in. So, look at this great entry to this one bedroom with a loft. You've got great floors, this coastal feel, these turquoise walls, and you've got all this open space for entertaining and chilling out after you go to the beach. You could make this a second home, your investment, and just get that rental income. We're right near the beach and you can get there without even having to use a car. And look at this kitchen. How beautiful is this? It's exactly what you'd think of in a coastal kitchen. These light countertops, they are quartz, as well as all this open space. And what a cute little farmhouse sink. They have updated this wonderful condo to the nines.
Hey there, come on in. I was just checking the adorable little outdoor living space off of this spacious bedroom. I'm really digging the floors. They are tile, but they're meant to look like wood. Got that shabby chic. Check out the colorful decor, very coastal and fun, nothing boring about it. And they have cute little personal touches with the barn doors. Check it out. Expertly hiding the washer and dryer. Great use of space in this renovated condo, and they happen to make it look adorable along the way. And I don't want you to miss out on that adorable renovated bathroom. Super cute, and it has natural shiplap. Somebody alert Heather, she loves that stuff.
So I hope you love this condo just as much as we do. For more information, look in the description below. Check out the actual MLS listing link for photos, price, and square footage details.
And make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel, thebeachshow.com. You don't want to miss out on any hot deals like this one.